Why is endpoint detection and response important? The threat landscape is constantly changing, with new viruses, malware, and other cyber threats appearing on the horizon daily. To meet this evolving threat, real-time collection and detection of possible anomalies becomes increasingly important. These challenges are amplified by the increasingly mobile workforce. When employees are connecting remotely, which has been accelerated by the COVID pandemic, endpoints being used for access to an organization's digital assets are often employee-owned. These BYOD devices may be shared by, and on networks shared by, the employee's family and thus may be infected with malware without the knowledge of the employee. By employing EDR, an organization can help ameliorate these challenges by 1. Identifying and blocking executables that could perform malicious acts. 2. Preventing USB devices from being used for unauthorized data access or downloading confidential or protected information. 3. Blocking fileless malware attack techniques that could infect endpoint devices. 4. Controlling the execution of scripts. 5. Preventing malicious email payloads from detonating their attachments. 6. Protecting from zero-day attacks, and preventing them from doing damage. EDR can also work with third-party threat intelligence services to improve the effectiveness of their endpoint security solutions, since their collective intelligence can increase the EDR's ability to identify zero-day attacks and other multi-layered exploits. Many endpoint detection and response solutions are now incorporating machine learning and artificial intelligence, ML, AI, to further automate the process by learning the baseline behavior of the organization and using that information to interpret findings when attacks are detected. How does endpoint detection and response work? Endpoint detection and response works by monitoring traffic on the network and endpoints, collecting information that could relate to security issues into a central database for later analysis, and facilitates reporting and investigation into threat events. All EDR solutions are not created equal. The breadth of the activities they perform can vary from vendor to vendor. Key components of a typical EDR solution include 1. Data collection agents. 1. Installed on endpoints, these agents monitor and perform data collection on processes running, connections to networks and devices, activity volume, and data transfers.